This is it. Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, Morris, I can't take it the back. Morris, make me sneeze. One goose, two ducks, three crows, four friends, 5 flowers, 6 feet, 7 peas, 8 eyes, but butts, 10 butterflies. The ant. This is the corner. The Morris, make me sneeze. Or don't go to bed. The hair. Right. The garment. The cruise. The Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, we're gonna. Because I can't mess up. But. Squeeze. Morris, got the egg shake. Just go fun again. Don't go so Morris, make me sneeze. I'm gonna get the current. Screen. Find the good. I look at the color or with the brush. Oh, what's the good? Attention, no, the guy. Let's try it again. Oh, the Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, I'm gonna wear it. On your mark, get set, go. The race a car to get Morris, make me sneeze. What do we? We can't turn to Morris, make me sneeze, or like something of the final knot. To go to Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, not good. Morris, make me sneeze. Or I can't for is what do when? Let's get the word again. Morris, make me sneeze. Or no. What happened? What the mother track? We do know the Morris, make me sneeze. What do you let's get the make the Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon forever. You could make Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon not. Here you come. Oregon better come. The Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon the bully. Oh my goodness, the last thing. It's kind of Morris, make me sneeze. What doing? Looking in the face. Take out forever. The lost forever. Buzz. What that in the one?
Baby.
And? What is it? What's the cat's name?
Yeah, it was Bootsy. Calico.
Quick, escape! Stickers! It's low crab. Pete the cat. Go, Pete, go! Round 1. You. Fight! No! That's good. Is that? What? Or I guess like dude, the Fly Guy play says sharks. Round 2. Fight. Morris, make a sneeze. Stop! Let's go. What's like a race? Let's go. Let's scoot. Fly Guy and the freaking fly. Round 3. Fight. No, I didn't use that. Don't got it. This quiz. Pete the cat. Too cool for school. Round 4. Fight. Morris, make me sneeze. What don't want to stop? What? Don't! Whiskers, the Morris make me sneeze. I don't wait. I just agree with something. The goose. Round 6. You're welcome for the trip. Round 5. Fight. What color is
On time, and you've got a kitty cat taking your place at home. You're not just not a boss, you're not even a good baby. So are you calling for help from a real executive baby who hasn't gone soft? Because I'm one of those. No, I'm calling to set the table for how breathtaking my victory will be later, and to get the last word.
Pete the cat. Robo Pete. Round 6. Fight. This is gonna hurt. It's like here. Oh, where the square? Pete the cat. Snow days. Round 7. Fight. Peter cat, scuba cat. Round 8. Fight.
This house first stays out for good.
What? That is an insane contest. Why would you even offer that?
You don't think I can win?
That's not what I'm saying. Meow.
I honestly can't tell if you're agreeing to terms or just swearing at me.
Meow.
I'll take it as a yes. Deal. May the cutest baby win. Jimbo, will you please stop petting the cat?
Let's go with Final presents the White House. Final round. Fight. Oh, Morris, make these knees. What are we talking about? There's gonna be what's the forever? No, I got it for face. You gotta tomorrow. I got some.
You're both so cute. I don't know who to hug first.
Same time.
Baby, no.
Oh. Hey, Morris, make these knees. That works. It's good. Wait. No. What happened?
Timothy Templeton? It wasn't me, Mom. The kitten. Oh, the kitten was playing football in the living room? What? We'll discuss punishment later. For now, just go outside. You can roughhouse all you want out there. And take the baby with you. I don't want him around all this broken glass.
Outside? I lost.
Forget the stupid contest. You don't have to go. We can fix this.
No, Templeton. I made a deal. First out stays out. And I stand by my word. Bootsy Calico, I can't say I like you, but I respect a challenge well played.
Oh my God! Whiskers, no, Morris, make these knees, or what the, or is curious, no, Morris, make these knees, or the good if it's destroys core with the good possible. I told to me, there's a good word that I come to clear what's cool, but well, Morris, make these knees, or I don't want to wait too good. You could top or toy are silver trap or not. There's a good Morris make needs sneeze or you also go to off the way the office road or this what to be Whisker Morris make these needs or yes, a sake. There's a cover. There's a question Morris make these needs or I got you would to kill oversight the office organ instead or Morris. What is Morris make these knees? Or what you're talking about? There's a good super overdone. Or you have like the figures gonna you you're a queer or a creatures or do they think and stop or not? Doesn't work. It'll be a two way they didn't dare.
Now! First out, stay out. Boom! Still got it.
Did your plan happen?
Great so wireless gamers no ways. 20 the scares where's with shorter bones.
Come here. I'll get a promotion. The corner office with my own private body.
So when you're done, you're coming back here?
ASAP, TIM. I'm not a family man. I belong behind a desk.
That's awesome!
I know, right?
Pew pew!
But, so help me, I will nail his diaper to the wall!